Hello. So if you're wondering where to find your backed up phone contacts, or you are wondering how you may get to restore them, then this is the right video, because I'm going to show you how to restore backed up phone contacts on your Google account to your phone. So how can you get to restore them to your phone? So to do this, you need to go to your Google account, that particular Google account that you backed up your phone contacts on. So mine is already signed in, my Google account. So if you haven't signed in, get to sign in, and then get to tap onto the profile picture, then get to tap on manage your Google account. So when you land over here, get to look for people and sharing, and tap there where you see people and sharing. So over here, this is where the contacts are. So tap where you see the word contacts. So over here, you can see the list of contacts that were backed up onto this Google account. So how can you get to restore one or all the contacts? So you might not be wanting to restore all the contacts, and you only want to restore one particular contact, or you want to restore a couple of contacts, not all of them. So to do this, get to that particular contact that you want to restore. Let's say, for example, this one of Joram, and you want to restore it onto your phone. So what you're going to do is to tap onto this three dots icon over here, and then get to tap export. Choose vCard for Android or iOS. So choose that option, then tap export. Then over here, tap download. So once you're done downloading, get back. So since, just scroll down here and look for that that downloaded contact. So just now, so the contact is over here. So you then have to tap import, then tap where you want the contact to be imported to. So I'm going to choose the phone. So you then tap import. That's how you can get to restore backed up contacts from your Google account on your phone. So that's how easy it is. Thank you.